Hi there, it's Kaya from Kachko Crafts, and on today's card I will show you how you can use your scrap piece of papers. We will start by cutting the paper, and as you can see I will just trim it down. I won't really bother with measuring. I will just cut it in different widths and I will use 3 different colors. You can use any scraps that you have. As you can see, I didn't have a scrap of this soft blue, so I will just cut them as I normally would, and this will be it for the pieces of paper I will use. Next, as you can see, I put down some glue tape and I will now start positioning these strips of paper. I will always go in the same order, so I will go dark blue, then medium blue, and then this soft blue. And I will try to make sure that I use different widths. So as you can see, I went with really big piece of dark blue and then medium and then really small piece of soft blue color, and now I will try to change it, so I won't use the same width, so I will have the color spread evenly, if this makes sense. So when I finish I will die cut this, and since this is quite a lot of papers, it may take more than just one run through your big shot machine, but it will cut through. So now I will move on to the coloring and stamping of my mermaid. I'm still in love with this stamp set, so that's why I went with it. I will use my zig markers, and this is actually the fastest I color, so I just put the marker down directly on my paper. My paper is from Derwent and is super smooth, and this makes zigs flow really beautifully. So I'm using these purples here, and as said I will put the marker down and then spread it around with my water brush. Right now I didn't realize that my camera died, so I just went ahead and finished coloring the mermaid, and now I moved on to the background. I decided that I need something extra, so I added some splotches to make it more ocean-like. I also stamped 3 more images. These are from Zen Ocean set, and I will also color them in with my zigs. I will just again put the marker down where I want my shadows to be, because where you put your marker down there will usually be the darkest color no matter how much you blend it out. So I just put it down where the shadows would be. And here I will use some yellow, green and blue color of zig marker. And of course we need a sentiment. I will use Happy Birthday from the mermaid set that's called Swimming By, and I will hit emboss it in white on my black strip of paper. I just wanted some extra details, so I will cut it down in a slight angle. And now we can start positioning. This will be my background, and you can see how beautiful it is, and we just use scraps, so it was really easy and quick to make. And now I will put down the mermaid. I will pop her up. I glued the background down directly on the card base, but I popped this mermaid up. And again I will use foam rectangles to pop everything up, except right now when I will glue down on this, what is this, seaweed I guess, I will use my liquid glue. And as you can see I'm using liquid glue in my syringe, and I use the syringe to get the glue in detailed places. You could of course use the detailed end of the bottle, but for me this is just easier. So to finish it off I will just glue down this little fish, And this actually finishes up the card. Thank you so much for watching, hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial and that you will use your scraps, because it's really fun and easy to make gorgeous backgrounds using the things that you already have. Thank you so much for watching, see you soon, bye bye!